Welcome back, people. So today I'm going to share some of the best places you can get free organic traffic to sell your digital products online. And trust me, if you watch this video to the end, you understand what I am talking about and why I am insisting that these are just the best places you can get quality organic traffic, drive that traffic to your digital product store and be able to make sales before you hit 1 month into selling digital products. So make sure you stay till the end of this video. At the end of this video, again, I'm going to give you that bonus tip that will help you start making money selling digital products with organic traffic on each of these platforms I'm going to review today. So number one on my list is TikTok organic. All right, so you will not in any way understand why I have TikTok organic as number one on the list. It has insane potentials to reach new people every day. So every day you go live on TikTok, you are meeting new people. TikTok is sending your life to new people that you will be talking to, trying to explain to them why they should buy your digital products on your store that you have in the bio section of your TikTok profile. So it is one of the best way to reach out to the right people who will be interested in watching your live, and you can be able to connect with a lot of people. So it will be just that day, the next day, another 1 year, another 2 months you go live, you are on TikTok creating quality content, whether it's shorts, stories, and engaging content. You're creating this content to make sure you reach the right people and consistently be able to drive them to your store. So when you create these videos on TikTok, you are also encouraging them to check your store, which is on the bio of your profile. And make sure you do that all the time, whether it's your videos or shorts or stories or whatever you are posting on TikTok, or even when you go live, you are talking about your profile and pointing them to the link of your store so that they can be able to click on it, visit your store, and be able to make those purchases. So TikTok is number one on my list, and there is a reason why TikTok is number one on my list. Check it out. And if you are not on TikTok yet, let me know why in the comment section, and I will tell you what you need to do. So number two on my list is Pinterest. You will not in any way imagine the amount of traffic I get from Pinterest every day. And I tell you, one pin will give you a lot of traffic today, tomorrow, sometimes for years. That's what many people don't understand. All you need to do is to create engaging pins, either GIF, but beautiful, attractive looking pins, and post them on your Pinterest and add the link. All right, this is the key here. Add the link of your store to where they ask you to put the link of that pin, and you can post 10-20 pins a day, no limitations, as much as you can. As long as you're doing that, you are getting a lot of followers on Pinterest, you are growing your Pinterest account, you are getting organic quality traffic from Pinterest throughout the year, throughout the month, every time, and you are converting that traffic into paying customers. So Pinterest is number two on my list. Check Pinterest. If you don't know how to use Pinterest, use YouTube and see how you can be able to get Pinterest up and running today. Don't waste more time. Get on Pinterest today and start getting organic traffic to your store. All right, that's number two on my list. Number three on my list is Facebook groups. I say Facebook groups. All right, you will be surprised. Oh, Facebook groups still exist? Of course, yes. That's the best way to drive traffic when it comes to Facebook. Now, you can still post on your Facebook page, but using Facebook posts and sharing those posts across a lot of niche related Facebook groups is what is going to give you that traffic. So whether it's about parenting you're talking about, or organic products, or health, anything your digital products is all about, make sure you are going to the right Facebook groups and posting it in there consistently every day. You can post in 20 groups a day. Just make sure you are doing it consistently, and trust me, you will come back and say Thank you, Eugene, for telling me about this trick. Many people don't know about it. They forget about Facebook and forget the potentials that Facebook groups still offer. So use Facebook groups and be able to get quality traffic to your digital store. All right, number 4 on my list is Quora. Now many people don't even know about Quora. It's a forum. Quora is a forum. Now let me tell you the trick. What you want to do with Quora is when you go to Quora, you search for questions that people are asking about, for example, digital product or how to make money online or make passive income online, and then you can write great answers, like quality answers into details, and then at the end of that answer you can add your store as a more resource for them to learn more about our answer that you just put on there. And you can do that as many times as you can. You just make sure not to spam the platform, because they will block you, they will close your account. But if you do that you reasonably, responsibly, you'll be able to do that all the time and get massive amount of traffic from Quora. And just like Pinterest, people can visit your store today from Quora, visit it tomorrow, and consistently throughout the year all the time. Don't misuse the platform, but use it responsibly and get quality organic traffic to your digital store. So Quora is the platform that you need to use. You can use Reddit as well. Reddit as well will help you get a lot of quality traffic. Number 5 on my list is YouTube Shorts. Now many people will say YouTube Shorts. Yes, YouTube Shorts. Do not miss this opportunity. YouTube push shorts out there, and massive amount of people watch those shorts. You need to create great engaging hooks and link your store in the description, and of course make sure you use the right hashtags, have the title of whatever that video is, write it clearly, nice, so they can be able to get those people attracted. They will come on there, watch it, and visit your store and buy from you. Don't take this for granted. YouTube Shorts have lots of potentials for you to reach right people, and a lot of people that will be interested in your digital store and come and buy your digital products. So start creating shorts today. Okay, the same videos you post on TikTok or any other platform, you can use it and post on your YouTube Shorts, get massive traffic, and send them to your store. So just like I said, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a bonus tip. All right, and this is about how you can be able to convert your lead magnets into paying customers. All right, and basically what you need to do is to go to Resale Rights Empire and get over carefully selected 900 plus digital products. This includes more than 200 video courses that you can use to learn anything at all, master these keys, and turn around and resell all these courses, sell all the digital products once you become a member, and just make passive income selling digital products online. I keep saying this, don't wait till tomorrow. You can take the action today. Visit ResaleRightsEmpire.com. On the screen here, Resale Rights Empire. Visit it, check the products that we have on that platform, and if you need any help, trust me, you are also on lockdown mentorship once you become a member. So you have one-on-one tutorials, and I teach you all you need to know when it comes to selling digital products online and making a killing. All right, this is what I wanted to share with you today, how you can be able to use these platforms and make a lot of money, because you can get quality traffic organically without spending a dime on any of these platforms I share. So again, let me know which of these platforms that you are using in the comment section, and subscribe and like and share with your friends and loved ones if you like this video, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss future videos I'll post teaching you digital marketing and how you can sell digital products and make money online. Thank you again for watching this video. See you next time.